Refining image search results on JSTOR. After conducting a broad image search on JSTOR.org, like this search for Frida Kahlo, it's possible to narrow your search from the search results page with the Refine Results sidebar. You can search within your original results with this additional search box in the sidebar. You can also search for a specific date range and search by classification. Other choices in the Refine Results sidebar include geography and collection. Notice that there are numbers after each of these categories. These tell me how many items that match my results are applicable to a specific place or a specific collection. Each time I make a selection, my search results are refreshed to reflect that choice. Because the images on JSTOR come from a variety of contributors, this collection category list allows you to choose one or several collections when refining your results. Notice that back at the top of this page, I can remove any filters created by the choices I made, and my search results will again be refreshed to reflect that change.